Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to Access Security. Then tap on Screen Lock at the top and decide which login method will be the best one for you. Pattern, PIN or password. When you're ready, hit Next at the bottom and then create your login method. Select Next at the bottom right corner. Repeat it in order to confirm it and tap on Confirm. Lastly, just click on one of those options to decide what you wish to do with lock screen notifications. Show notification content, show notifications by hide content, or don't show lock screen notifications. Wherever you decided, when you finished, hit Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!